Hello, my name is Marcus Monroe. I am a third year mechanical engineering student. I'm happily in this welding class. I've been signing up for it quite a few quarters. I'm glad I finally got in. A little bit about myself. I'm a mechanical engineer. I already said that. I like to go surfing. I like to go biking. Just kind of living it up here on the Central Coast. I'm originally from Portland, Oregon. So I definitely follow the change in latitude, change in attitude, and that's why I migrated south for school. But yeah, uh, I helped with the student off-road car building club Baja my first 2 years, and so I feel like I've gotten a lot of experience in welding from that. So it'll be nice to kind of review the welding stuff with the technical side after helping out so many older students who really knew how to weld correctly. But yeah, there's my introductory video.